Sir, yung latest survey lang kung saan, kung nag-one-on-one with VP Sara, 46% tayo po kayo.
Well, una sa lahat, kung baba, ako po'y nagpapasalamat sa tiwala. Pero I said it before and I'm going to say it again, wala pa akong balak na tumakbo as president sa 2028. However, I believe I'm doing very well as senator and I can do a lot more as senator. Therefore, maasahan niyo re-electionist ako sa 2028.
Bakit mataas ang number niyo sa survey? That will not change your mind, sir?
No.
Bakit po? Bakit, sir?
I'm very happy as senator, like I said. So, ba't pa ako aakyat sa higher office? And then, I don't want to commit the same mistakes that others committed. Mga elected officials, first termer pa lang sila, and then after first term, tumatakbo agad sila sa higher office, so higher position, and they fail. So,
Sir, kahit pa magkaroon ng clamor for you to run.
I don't think so.
Final answer niyan, sir.
Final answer.
What if mas makakapaglingkod kayo as president?
Pwede na ako maglingkod as senator, di ba? Pareho lang naman yun, lingkod bayan tayo.